what tips do you have for those who are trying to be intentional with design and visuals?
I think there's a lot to consider within the actual deliverable. Like I said, like what space do you truly have as you're thinking about it? But other than that, like what is the data you want to share? I think when you see an option of all the charts possible in the world, I would call it like chart happy. Oh, this one looks fun. This looks fun. But is this the right chart to communicate your data?
Chart happy? I love it.
Well, if you look at a book that's like best tips for data viz and it's all the chart options of the world and you're like, oh, this is fun, but do people understand it or did that make sense? So
Right.
yeah. So I think our go-tos, the standard stuff, a bar chart is probably the number one. I think I'll emphasize the bar chart. While we might get tired of it, it is so easy to just quickly draw conclusions of comparison of length of the chart, right? You could sometimes not even have the data number on it. This is the top choice or whatever it might be. Bar charts are a good go-to. And then pie charts are very common. And I would say in the industry, there's mixed feelings of a pie chart.
There's mixed feelings about pie charts.
Yeah,
okay, tell us a little more about that.
I would say at TCG, we rarely see pie charts from our deliverables, but I think that's Amanda Lopez preference of a donut chart, but isn't that the same thing? No. My thing I like to call out is a pie chart represents like a circle, a whole. So your results should equal 100%. It should equal a whole.
Okay.
And then so if there's a point where
that's not the case.
Yeah, for example, it's select all that apply or the numbers are going to equal beyond that. Think of some context to there, like what does make sense. And so maybe you go back to that bar chart or whatever it might be. So again, just being intentional and understanding the data behind the chart is helpful.